What's up, my bubbles? Hey, what's up, my tokers? It's your girl, Taki Tokez, back again with another lit video. I hope you guys can hear me. It's on mobile right now, but finna turn up. Oh, make it rain on that. So, we have this cone already cone-defied, and I'm just gonna like grind up some weed and talk with you guys because it's freaking Kwanzaa. How exciting is Kwanzaa? And if I'm not mistaken, today is the meaning of unity. Day one is unity. I think it's called Umoja. And Umoja is just the meaning of life. Like, we are all just one collective group. And we are literally just the same, you know? We just have to come together and put our brains together. Something that I thought was really cool is that I watched this interview with Janae Aiko, and at the end of the interviewer asked Janae, like, what if there is something like a political law that you can make, just one political law that you can make, what would that law be? And she was just like, the law that I would choose is for people to share, which is so lit, because if we all just share, then everyone would be good with, you know, not without. So that's freaking cool. Yeah, this is how it is behind the scenes. I don't know. Normally I do this before I film videos and get the whole production lighting, this and that, but something about this feels just doable right now. You know, like, it's the holidays. I want to chill with you guys, and editing could be a bitch, you know? Fuck it, I'm just trying to talk to you guys about freaking unity on day one of Kwanzaa. We got some bud, ayy. We filling up the bud, ayy. We gotta go, we gotta go. Oh my gosh. You know that song? It's on Ariana Grande's last album. Like, not this one, like the one before that. And she does like, I don't know, it's just like beautifully haunting. I don't know, it's something about that song. It's like, how does it go? It's like, an angel cried, oh, she cried, an angel cried. You know, it's so funny because it's all in how you look at experiences. You know, most people would be like, oh man, you know, this and that. She's filling up a cone that's already pre-coned. How cool is she? You know, I think I'm pretty damn cool. I think I'm pretty damn cool, guys. I'm just saying. I mean, I don't know. It gives me more time to smoke weed. freaking savage. I said it. I said it. And I mean it. Oh my goodness. Got that good. That good good. That good good. That good good. But yes, I hope that your holiday season is going well. And I hope that you're spending time with the good people, even if you're just talking to them, texting them, it's okay. I'm definitely that person that it's like so hard for me to like talk to people over the phone. Like, I'm more of an in-person person. Like, let's just be honest. It's been a thing my whole life. Like, it's come to the point where my friends and family literally know just not to text me. Like, or triple text me. And it's like, I mean well, and in person, I'm who I am. But over the text, I don't know. It's just something about the phone that like disconnects me, and I just can't be social. I don't know. It's just too much. It's too much. You know. I'm working on it though. Something that's been helping me is that you don't have to be perfect when writing responses. You know, a lot of times people are really sensitive during these modern day times, you know, and it's so easy to like misinterpret a text. Like, someone could be like, hello, no period, and then you're just like, hello, like, and then just go racing, like your mind starts racing and stuff. But that's just like, maybe they wanted to like quickly reply to you, and they didn't have time to say anything else but hello. But like in person, like that's them going out their way to say, hi, I hope you're doing well, you know. um, so you don't have to write full paragraphs, because I am that full paragraph person. Like, you know, I'll answer like like once a month. But it'll be like a full paragraph, you know. I know someone else who does that too, and like, man, this kid is just like positive central, you know. Anytime he does write, it's a great piece of writing, you know. It should be a whole like motivational speech, you know. Very, very encouraging. But because he stresses himself out so much with talking to people, that he just makes his rounds for like the next couple of months, and then goes on to social media blah 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 hiatus. And honestly, that's just such a vibe. It's like kind of how I am. um but you know, being on social media and stuff, you know, and I'm making more friends now than ever on the internet. I gotta get over that. I just got to, you know. And that just is what it is. We're almost done. Bowling. Honestly, I just don't feel like grinding up anymore. I always like undergrind. Should I do it, guys? I have no clue. I have no clue. She wasn't ready. She wasn't ready. Oh, that kind of looks a little thick real quick. Okay, here is my little mini me. Raw guys. And you know, we have our Cindy Lou. OG Taki Tokez fans know about the Cindy Lou. Well, I'm gonna smoke with you guys. Oh, make sure to